Hey guys, just quick reminder that the Fundraising Masterminds Perfect Vision Dinner 30% off early bird special ends tonight at midnight. If you've been thinking about it, not sure, whatever, get on the phone with your board, make some decisions and get signed up tonight before midnight so that we can work with you. Now, I've been making a lot of calls and I've talked to a lot of you. I haven't been able to get to everybody because there is a lot, but just a couple of little misunderstanding things that sometimes comes up. I've had a couple people say that, oh, we missed it for the spring, you know, it's for the fall. Well, it's actually it's a course that starts on May 8th, okay? And it goes all the way up to the fall with the goal of preparing you for a vision dinner in the fall. Okay, so we actually take 20 weeks to do the vision dinner preparation. So we take a lot of time. Now, another misunderstanding that people seem to have is that this is like a very intense course of 20 weeks. Oh my gosh. It's actually not that way at all. We've spread it out over 20 weeks. See, a lot of people, they cram their vision dinner in like the last month. And what we do is we take all that cramming and we spread it out over 20 weeks. So it's a lot less stressful. And there's a lot of education and learning the strategy. Another misunderstanding that people are saying to me as I'm calling is, hey, we already do a vision dinner. We don't, we use Kurt Walden's thing from Heartbeat, or, we've heard of Life Stewart. We've been doing them forever. I would say, we're not telling you to do something any different from what they teach. What the strategy that we teach is more focused on the development strategy of winning new donors and getting new people into your organization. I would say our vision dinner strategy is taking what you've learned from them and adding a rocket ship to it and blasting off. So it's an upgrade. Okay, it's not radically different. It's not going to change a whole lot, but there's like a lot of little tweaks that really add up to making a big difference. So those are some of the things that I'm hearing as I'm talking to people, and I just wanted to share those with you because I can't make 300 calls in a day. I wish I could, but hopefully this phone video, I'm like on a street corner. My kids are performing at a concert tonight in Columbia, Tennessee, and I'm just walking around trying to, answer any questions for people. And hopefully you found this to be helpful. I'm gonna just throw this on YouTube and send it in an email really quick. But we would love to be able to work with your pregnancy center or FCA or Christian school or ministry or whatever it is that you're doing. We have tons of experience getting you guys fully trained in development principles, whether it's a capital campaign or whatever, but the focus is on getting the vision in front of new people. Okay, we're not like, this isn't like a fundraising tactic. It's more about how do we get the vision of what God is doing in front of more people in a way that is very well done, in a way that people go, whoa, this is real. This isn't like some scam. It's not trinkety. It's not hokey. It's very glorifying to Jesus, and it works. We've been doing it for years, and we've just seen a lot of fruit from it. Everyone who's done it is amazed by it. And so if you're on the fence and you're like, yeah, I don't know, just do it. You won't regret it, I promise. And if you do it before midnight, you get 30% off. So hopefully we'll see you on the inside. I can't wait to work with you guys.